I don't know, what's up everybody, back again. Back at it again with the moto vlogs. How you guys doing? Hopefully everybody's doing good. If you're not, remember it's just a moment in time. Just like any other moment, it will pass. You will make it.
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my life.
Can y'all see him? Can y'all see him? He's quite large. So this is the street right here where a motorcyclist fucking hit a bicyclist. If you guys haven't seen that video, see it. Basically, two motorcyclists are riding down a dual lane street. This is the street. It was two lanes before it cut to one right here for no reason. So these rich people have parking. It's kind of similar to a yellow light. So I've seen two pedestrian vehicle accidents. One was a car versus a guy in a crosswalk, and the other one was a motorcyclist versus a bicycle in a crosswalk. And the motorcyclist bicycle one could have been avoided, I think. But the man in the car one I saw when I was younger. Guy was trying to beat the light. Ran out in the crosswalk. Traffic was coming. He didn't think he could make it, so he tried to stop. What an asshole. It's fucking killing my vibe and shit. So anyway, homeboy was trying to cut across the street. Traffic was coming. He fucking slid in some penny loafers. Like fucking Gregory Hines. Cut back the other way where the traffic was coming and proceeded to get fucking straight hit. And went up on the fucking roof, and then slid off the front end, and the lady jumped out and was like, "Is that me? Oh my God!" Screaming, "Oh my God, can't believe I just hit you." Don't go trying to make it across the street if you're fucking slow. Like if you weren't a running back, wide receiver, tight end, point guard, if you played goalie in hockey, don't be trying to run across the street. If you were the power forward on your basketball team, just think twice about running across the street.
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle. This is on the
That bitch look like Jim's sweater.
People watching people watching sweaters.
If you guys haven't seen a video about Jim's sweater. But yeah, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. Yeah, that's a good thing. Share it with your friends, your Twitter fans, followers, and friends. 3F. Bitches talking shit, but mine got the minds.
Shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle.